Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can remove the Pro Features error when exporting your video. Because I saw here on Reddit, look at that, go to your cover at the beginning of your project and reset, problem solved, export allowed. I must have set my cover when I did have the Pro Features on, and that kept me from exporting. So now when you're gonna come here and you're gonna click export, there you're gonna have a cover, right? And possibly you choose some pro cover design, and what you want to do is that you just want to choose, for example, the cover design which is not going to be pro version, right? And then you see right here that I have like the join pro, and I'm going to click export and it's exporting for me, as you can see. But if I'm going to have the cover which is going to be premium, see, and you see the Pro Materials 1 cover template, and he wants to delete that.